And today I'm going to be trying some Japanese snacks with my mum. She's over there. So we are going to be trying some Japanese snacks. So, and if you want to know what website it is from, let me just get the little thing. Check this. It's from Tofu. Cute. It is it sells adorable plushies, Japanese stuff because it's a Japanese shop. Oh my gosh, my mum has popped the drink.
This is the drink you chose?
The marble drink. So it is strawberry. Oh my god, there's a marble in there.
That's cool.
How'd you get that marble out?
I'm not sure, but hi guys.
Yes, so we're trying some Japanese snacks, and I think I'm gonna try it. Let me try it, guys.
Tofu cute website.
Yeah.
Not sponsored.
No. Okay.
Check it out.
Let's try it. Mmm.
Can I try?
It's like fizzy strawberry because it is flavour.
Oh, you can smell it. It's like strawberry jelly.
It tastes like it as well.
Mmm. It's like really subtle, isn't it?
Yeah.
And
It's
there's
really
a lid.
nice.
That's really nice. You can have that.
Oh, popped on my
Oh,
face.
so I've got the dropsies today. Right,
So-
we're going to try to eat. Come on, we need to eat something. Can I choose first?
Of course.
Are you going to sit in the video with me?
Can we try some Pocky first?
Yes. Should we try the banana?
Banana.
Banana. Or
So
should
I'm
we
gonna
try
show-
the strawberry?
I think we're going to try the banana.
We've got cookies and cream. as
So
well.
the seed.
Right, come on then. Let's go for it.
The packaging is really cute. Let me just get right to
Can you kneel in a bit? Sorry, I'm taking up all the that in a minute.
Okay, so let's unwrap it.
While you're doing that, I'm just going to unwrap this one.
Okay.
Unwrap the strawberry while Maddie's doing the banana.
Oh my gosh, guys! So it's in this little package.
I think we're doing both together,
A little
but
sneak peek. We've got some banana.
can I just show this? This is the strawberry. Look how cute that is. That is adorable.
Okay, guys. So can my mum open the banana?
I don't like bananas, but I love
Banana
flavours.
So, oh my gosh, guys! Of course it's yellow. I was about to say what is yellow. My mum loves.
Ready? Cheers. Oh my god. They are so good. I need one more. So that's what they look like.
When you taste something Japanese, you know it's Japanese. Because we don't, in the UK here where we live, we don't have mochi, different flavours of Pocky, this drink. So yeah.
Let's try the strawberry one now. And that comes in an adorable,
Little love heart
I
package.
don't know what that says, but yeah.
Any Japanese people.
There you go. Help yourself.
Oh my gosh, guys. It's
Strawberry cheers. Cheers. They're good, but I prefer the banana. Mm-mm.
Mama, you've already ate it.
Oh yes. So that was the strawberry. Okay, next. My knees hurt. Oh, my knees hurt. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna
Guys,
try to sit down like this.
that was really good. Okay. I want to try some mochi, bro.
Let's try some mochi.
Let's go.
Okay, so
I'm going to say chocolate mochi.
I'm gonna let you decide.
Chocolate mochi.
Okay.
I love mochi so much. We've got 2 more flavours of mochi.
Are you gonna come in a bit further?
Sorry,
Come sit in
guys.
front of me. There you go.
There we go.
That's better. I'm kind of sat in a funny angle because it hurts. What we got?
We've got chocolate mochi. Ooh.
Go give a close up. So that's
Ooh,
the
give
box.
It's really nice.
Chocolate mochi.
This is what we dropped, guys. It's more Pocky. I don't know how to say it.
Pocky.
Pocky. Oh my gosh, guys. It's just like plain white, but I can see brown in the middle.
Put them there.
I'm just going to let my mum open that because I could not open any packages today.
You can probably use scissors.
Yeah, we probably use those. Yeah. Let me do a cheers with you. Oh my gosh, guys. Look, guys, look. Squidgy, squidgy, squidgy. Oh my gosh, guys.
Look inside. Can you do a close up? I can't really reach.
Mm-mm.
My heart is burning like this.
Look at that chocolate.
That is good.
It's just a plain, simple, original mochi, but with chocolate in the middle. Comment down below if you want me and my mum to do a really, buy like 5 types of different mochis. We can try them all from this Japanese shop because they do millions of mochi.
We love it so much. We're going to get Maddie's stationery for school from there, aren't we?
Yeah, you can get stationery, you can get stickers, you can get plushies.
I think we should go for some more mochi, Maddie. Which one next?
I think banana.
You go for it then. Banana.
Do you want to grab one now?
I kind of did open these earlier. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm so uncomfortable. Come on then, Maddie. Or else it's just me. Hi, me. Hi. So these are the banana mochi. Banana chocolate. White chocolate, apparently. There you go, my darling. Matches your top. Banana. Let's go.
It's meant to be normal banana.
Cheers. You don't have to eat the whole thing. Should we just share one?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm actually getting quite full. Can I try?
My mum is getting full.
Thank you.
Well.
Like actual banana in the middle, isn't it? Like dry banana. Real banana, not fake.
Let's get all them pieces off.
And juice to wash it down.
Guys, at the end we'll rate the whole package.
I think while we're on the mochi theme, we should try these.
They're meant to be sweet mochi.
Like sweets. Oh, that does not want to stay. Which colour do you want? Look. The traffic lights.
Ow!
Oh! Maddie, you pick the green, yellow or pink, whichever you prefer.
I want the pink because I think that might be strawberry. I don't want to choose green.
I'm going to go for the green, so here we go. Cheers!
Might be green
You're not
too.
even in camera, Maddie. Come over.
Hi.
Cheers. I think it's like a sweet.
But guys, look. That's what we're trying next.
Mmm! They are really, really
I haven't
good.
finished my other mochi.
They are really good. Recommend those. We're getting there, guys. I'm going to open the strawberry mochi by Maddie's
Guys,
doing that.
probably going to taste the same as that, but it has a little sugar on it. Oh.
That's nice, isn't it? It's like a jelly sweet.
Would you like to try some?
Yes, please.
Eat all of it.
I'm getting a bit full. So this
Oh
is,
my god! Guys,
oh my god, they're big ones. We need to share one, I think.
giant strawberry mochi. What else can you ask for?
My knees do not hurt. Ah!
Okay.
I apologise for the state of my hair as well.
Guys, if you want to know if I'm alright, I've been sunburned.
Whoa! These are big.
For us, we've never tried. Oh my! Can I hold it?
Yeah, do a close up of the middle. Break it apart.
God. No, we're gonna eat it
Okay.
and then do it. Okay.
Is it jam?
It's
Or is
like-
it an actual strawberry?
It's actual strawberry. Okay. I'll have to.
It's got cream in it as well, guys. Look, it's got cream in it.
Let's try.
That is good.
Mm.
You only need one though, don't you? Because they're really
You get
filling.
really full.
I'm really full now.
Recommend.
I'm opening the cookies and
What's that?
cream. What are these called? Pepperoni? Like Pocky?
I'm having another drink.
Well, these are big. That went everywhere if you didn't see. I got it on my arm. Maddie got it in her face. These are cookies and cream.
That one more.
Yeah, of course. Cheers.
Oh my god, it's so thick, the layer.
They're like Oreos with chocolate on.
That is my favourite Pocky ever.
Thumbs up. Good job.
Highly recommend.
Now, these little biscuits. These are One Bite Biscuits chocolate flavour. Okay, Maddie, you want to go do the honours?
Then, can I try it first?
Oh look, the little teddies.
No, I got a bunny.
You got a bunny. Go for it.
Mm. Mm.
They're cute. They're nice.
I love how Mummy just sticks the whole thing in.
The last one is grape flavoured pucho.
Like a chewy sweet, maybe?
Or too sweet. My knees are hurting, so I'm kind of rushing a bit, but ugh, I don't know how you YouTubers do these videos sat like in awkward positions. There you go, Maddie, one for you. And they come in little silver wrappers.
They have like, oh my god, they're
Cheers.
yellow.
Oh, they smell really good.
Mm.
Smell really great.
Look, guys, look in the middle.
It's like
So hard.
really chewy inside, like chewy but hard.
Mm. Out of 10, about 7.
Okay,
Look,
mess. That's good.
let's rate the package.
The whole package out of 10, definitely a 9.
9.
Really good. Recommend them. Shipping was amazing.
Yeah.
So that is
Pretty far.
only like 3-4 days, and that's this website.
Oh, guys, I just want to mention it's pink and yellow.
I think we're good. Really recommend it. Loved it. Love the snacks.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Highly recommend.
Okay, go for the honours.
Okay. Woo! Thanks for watching. Like,
Subscribe.
turn notification bell on to see another amazing video. Comment down below if you want any more like Japanese trying videos, because we'll do any. Bye guys, love you guys.
Bye.
Mwah.